Hello again, and welcome back to Garage of Slot Cars. Today on Garage of Slot Cars, we have unboxing video. So, big delivery from LEB Hobbies. This should be 6 new Carrera slot cars. So, without further ado, let's get to it. Oh, yeah, you've met my cat Simba. He's down here again, so I'm sure he's gonna make his way into the video. He likes to do that. See, Simba, the people need to see. Excuse yourself. What do you do, huh? Folks with cats know. He loves when I get the slot cars out. All right, let's see. We'll set the box on the floor and we'll pull them out one by one. I think that would probably be the easiest. Like I said, LEB, you know, I know why it's done and for collectors and things, but it's kind of funny to me. The cardboard, the bubble wrap, and I'm going to throw it on the track and send it flying. So let's see what we got here. We got first one, drum roll, Mercedes 300 SEL. And we got a red one in here that's supposedly a famous car. I'm going to look up the history on it. This will be its racing pair, a yellow one. Wow, nice. All right, let's get them all out and then we'll look at them closer. So there's that one. That's a new body style too that, well, it's new for everybody. It's a new Carrera style, but it's one I don't have. So we'll see how it runs. I've seen on YouTube there's some tuning you got to do. Oh, and here's what I mentioned, the red version of it. Wow, nice. My uncle's gonna like this. He's a big Mercedes guy. This one's got some lights on the front. Might have to be careful with those. Those look like I don't know, look like something you can bust off, right? Wow, I like it. All right, 2 Mercedes 300 SELs, red and yellow. All right, ooh, we got more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like there's 7. I must have misspoke earlier when I said 6. I can't remember. Like I said, Carrera puts their yearly catalog out in around February, March, and I pick through and pre-order everything I think I'm going to need. And I'm surprised throughout the year when they show up. Wow. Okay, I showed in an earlier video the pace car function on Carrera Digital. This is another pace car. Oh, all black Corvette CR8. Wow. With the lights on top. That is spectacular. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Let's save that one. I know what that one is. All right. Well, hey, they got the cat off the table. He's digging through the trash now. Let's see. Oh, wow. This is another new body style that I don't have. This is a KTM X-Bow. Wow, look at that. Oh, this is going to be fast. Look at that. Now, I have another paint scheme of this coming for a racing pair, but it hasn't, I need to do something different with the lights on the camera. I don't like that light. I have a different paint scheme of this coming, but it's not arrived yet. So I will have a racing pair of this, but for now I'm just going to have the one. Let's see what this one is. Oh, wow. This is another new one to me. This is a BMW M4. Look at that. Everybody says it looks like beaver teeth in the grill. I think it looks mean. Oh, it's got yellow headlights. Whoa. Man, that's going to be fast too. Oh, wow. Now this is another one where I've ordered another paint scheme. That stupid light. Another paint scheme of this, which hasn't arrived yet. Like I said, I pre-ordered from Carrera's catalog. So as soon as LEB gets these, they ship them to me. So I'm first on the list. I've actually had this box for a couple days. I've been waiting to make the video. So right now I'm just going to have one of these too. I suspect this is going to run like a DTM car, but maybe not. So we do have another one of those coming. Now this one, these two are body styles that I already have two of. So I'm going to have four. There's two more. I'm going to have four of these. I really like this car. This is a Ferrari. This will be a Ferrari 488. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Carrera, whenever you buy a Ferrari, you get a special. It comes in a special sleeve, a Ferrari sleeve, always. So, anyway, there's that. But this, I already have two other paint schemes of this car, so I know this car runs good. Ferrari 488. So I'm gonna have four of them now. Oh, this is the Alpha Tori. Look at that. Wow. Oh, man. That's a bad boy. Okay. One more. Big shipment. So I got my work cut out for me here. I've got to take pictures of all these, enter them into my app. I've got to open the bodies, take the magnets out. I don't race with magnets. And then I've got to find Paul Gauge urethane replacement tires. Should be pretty simple for all of them, except I've read Carrera did a new rear wheel design on these, and it might be a little difficult. So we'll see. All right, another Ferrari 488. Oh, Red Bull. Oh, man. Bad boy. Look at that. Oh, wow. Nice. All right, so that is it. We've got one, two, three, four. Pace car back there. 5, 6, 7, 7 new cars. Wow. Well, if you bear with me here, I'll open these, give you a closer look. If you're unfamiliar with Carrera, they give you a little safety thing. Trash it, junk it. They'll have a door back here. Instructions, in case you're stupid. It's a slot car. And Carrera always gives you extra set of braids, usually extra mirrors, sometimes an extra slot in there, which I've never really broken a slot. Professional tracks, maybe they do. They have a lot more power behind their cars. Wow. Yeah. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. That looks mean. Wow. Nice. Nice. Okay. Let's look at the other Ferrari now. Seven more cars. I had about 90. I think we're approaching that magical 100 slot cars number. Oh, man. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, man. You know, say what you want about Carrera cars. These are already digital, so these will go right on my track. I don't have to buy a chip or anything. I can turn my slot car track on, drop this on it, and it works with all the digital functions. And it's fairly cheap. So look at the detail. I mean, the paint and the looks you get with Carrera for the price. You know, I don't care that they're not the fastest or the smoothest. Man, they're for the money, they're a deal, I think. And I think they take their time, I think, on paint schemes and getting the scale right, things like that. I do wish they'd take a little more time on maybe wheel size design and thought for us other hobbyists that change tires and things. But this is the BMW M4. Like I said, I got another one of these ordered, I know, which is a different paint scheme. Brand new car, so the hobby shop didn't have it yet. Yeah, look at the front end. Yellow headlights. I've got a few of the Carrera cars where they put yellow tint on the headlights. It looks really good at night. Oh, nice. That's going to be a good runner right there. All right, let's look at this one. This is the X-Bow. I'm not really familiar with that car, but it looked cool, so I ordered it. Looks fast. Reminds me of the McLaren 720, but it's not. That is nice. Oh. Now the other paint scheme I have of this is going to be coming. It's going to be orange and KTM on it. It's going to look really good. I think it's going to look better than this one, actually. But hey, red's classic. I found everything looks good on my slot car track except black. When I get a black car, they just don't look as good. I mean, the cars look great, but running around the track, bright colors, yellow, orange, white. I think it makes for better racing. So if there's a good looking black car, it looks good, but there's another color available, I won't get the black. All right, here's our Mercedes-Benz 300 SEL. This is supposed to be this paint scheme. I guess this was a famous car. Here comes the cat. He must be tired of the trash. So I'm going to look up the history on this car myself, just out of curiosity. You can find some pictures of the real version of this online pretty easily. Google search. And Carrera did a good job of matching it. It looks like the pictures I saw. Wow. The real one actually had these weird lights up there. Looks like the quad Mercedes lights, looks like the bottom ones are going to light up on the track. Wow. Nice. Now, I don't know how fast this car will go. There's been some complaints online about looseness of the front wheels, and it is. Usually, Carrera has a solid axle connecting both wheels, but I guess the position of the slot on this one, they put individual bushings, and look at that. They are a little sloppy. But I don't know how much that'll affect. You saw my cars, a 9-second lap over 70 feet of track without magnets. And the front tires don't do much, so I don't know if that'll affect much. But I've read the inside and outside diameter of this back wheel are different sizes, so it's going to make difficult finding an aftermarket tire that'll work. So we'll see what we can do there, because as I mentioned before, stock Carrera tires aren't very good, so I don't anticipate these tires being very good. Oh, hey, see all that bubble wrap they do just for me to tear it up, right? So hey, they're cheap and I buy them for fun. My cars are going to get some scratches and stuff on them. I don't care. Wow. Look at that. Now see, this is kind of a plainish paint scheme. I'll give you that. This one doesn't have those extra lights on there. I don't know. But the yellow itself will look good on my track. I know that. Yellow's Yellow's a good color to see going around the track. Nice. All right, that brings us to this one's black, but I don't know that I'll really race this one because it's I know it'll be fast because I have 2 of these body styles. I have 2 other Corvette CR8s race cars from Carrera, and they are fast. They're amongst my fastest. So I know this car will run great, but this one will be a pace car with the light bar up here. These will flash. These will blink on and off. The fog lights down here are going to blink on and off. Tail lights are going to blink on and off as it's doing its pace car laps. That looks great. This Corvette on the hood. My dad and my stepmom used to have a Corvette. Not this style, but they had a convertible. It's really nice. Wow, look at that. Mid-engine. Spectacular. I love it. Nice. Okay. Well, all right. I think that about wraps up the video. We got 7 new cars. Never mind the laundry on the chair back there. I'm sorry. Laundry's downstairs here, so some of it ends up downstairs sometimes. Wow. All right. Well, thank you again, LEB Hobby. Thank you for tuning in to my stupid videos. And I don't know, I guess we'll in this video here, it's always a great time to get new cars, like I said, but it involves a little work. Take pictures, put these in my app, name them, install them in my app. Doesn't take too long. I just snap a picture with the iPad. The app's already in the iPad. It loads it pretty quickly. Light. Left it on my glasses. And I have contacts. I could put contacts on. I may have to look at some different lighting. My editor, my last child moved out, so I'm going to have to figure out how to do some of my own editing. I think I figured out how to insert my introduction into the front of this video. I don't know. We'll see from there. I don't know how to insert pictures and stuff, so I don't know if I'll do much more of that. But anyway, thanks again, and until next time, it's Garage of Slot Cars.